Homer here, and welcome to the Legends of the Hidden Temple. With me, Bobby Bird. And now excuse me. Oh? I'm Robin. Hi. This is Larry. Hi. So what brings you here today? Well, Larry wanted me and him to find this golden Larry statue, but I don't know if it's real or not. Probably is. It is real, Robin. Sure of that? Yeah. Okay then. Well, in order to find this hidden Larry statue, told you must go down the secret passageway. Where could that be at? I don't know. Yay, we're alive. Come on, let's find that statue of yours. Yeah. Oh boy. Well, I am your number one fan, so I should be number one. Okay. Hello? Come on, let's go. Yay! Me and my hero Robin. Thanks. You're welcome. Larry, we've been walking for hours. It's probably somewhere. What's that noise? I don't know. Huh? No! Larry? Help! Larry! Help me, Robin! No! Huh? I'm coming, Larry. That's actually cool. Wow. You okay? I'm fine. Huh? Is that what I think it is? The golden Larry statue? Yay! We found that! Oh boy. Yay! Isn't it handsome, Robin? It's got you and me written all over it. Yeah, it really is. Let's take this to the tower. Good idea. Yay! We're back! We made it! Finally. This just in. One Teen Titan and an interdimensional ant stole this golden Larry statue. Oh